Cravings to Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. It's time to get our health back in check. I have some of my friends coming over that I work out with, and I'm going to make a snack for them later. They've never tried this before, but I'm going to be making a barley stir fry. I love making this at home. It's made with barley that is a complex carb, and I'm going to pack it with fiber and protein, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I have 2.5 cups of barley here, and I'm just going to soak this for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Give it a good rinse, and I'm going to boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't bother to salt the water, as we will be flavoring this later. Add a few tablespoons of olive oil in a saute pan, and in the hot oil I'm going to saute 1 cup of turkey bacon. I just cut this in strips, as well as 1 cup of chicken wieners. Add a splatter guard, as the moisture in the bacon can cause the oil to splutter. Once the bacon and sausages are cooked, I'm going to keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup each of diced onion and sliced spring onions. I'm also going to add 2 cups of diced mushrooms. I'm going to allow these mushrooms to sweat for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of diced red peppers, as well as 1/2 cup of diced carrots. The barley is now well drained. I'm going to add this in, and I'm going to allow the barley to caramelize a little by not touching it. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. This is going to provide the salt and the flavor, as well as I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Mix this in and allow the soya sauce and the hot sauce to coat the barley. Cook this for a few minutes before adding the bacon and the sausages. Mix this in well. I have a cup of lightly steamed broccoli here, and I'm just going to add it in. Also mix in some chopped parsley. I've also cut 1 boiled egg into small chunks, and I'm going to add this in as well. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings to Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for barley stir fry. It is absolutely delicious, but it's also really customizable, so you can make it with any leftover ingredients you have in your fridge. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. If you love these videos, do share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified the minute I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.